Hi everyone, welcome to Total Integrative Oriented Medicine. I will give you tips and tricks on how to stay healthy. Today's topic is do this if you worry about being diabetic. You know someone who is close to you is diabetic, or perhaps you are close to being one. Diabetes is a common disease, but yet can cause critical impacts on your body. It increases the possibility of having high blood pressure, heart attack, stroke, kidney failure, amputation, etc. I listed the most severe medical conditions diabetes can cause to intimidate you, so you can read my post. Sorry. If you still can reduce all the goodies, especially carbohydrates, but want to reduce the possibility of being diabetic, then I have good news for you. Follow this tip. Eat protein and vegetable before eating carbohydrates. By doing so, a spike of blood sugar level will not rise as much as when you eat carbohydrates first. This tip will help your body control blood sugar level better by secreting less insulin. I didn't tell you eat less carbohydrates, but to eat in a specific sequence. You see, I'm a nice person. Of course, reducing the total amount of carbohydrate you eat is ideal, but my tip is somewhat more practical and not asking too much. Control your blood sugar level. Stay healthy, everyone. I will see you next time.